Well, good morning everyone. Welcome to and welcome back to my channel, Maniacal S10 and Garage. I'm the creator, Mike Howe. Well, good morning everyone. Like, subscribe, notification bell. You'll be notified of all upcoming videos. Okay, on this rainy Wednesday morning, I wanted to bring you an update on my welding turntable. Updates on the table, and this is an update. Okay, here's the one I've made. So it's going back in a scrap heap. Now here's the new updated version that I'm going to be using, but not in this video, but for future use. I took all this apart and cleaned all contact points. This is the one I modified. And here's what it looked like, because I bought two of them. They came in a set, and as you can see, it has adjustments both ways, turn and up and down. The handle for the turn, and the two bolts for up and down. That's what it looked like. That's what both the other one looked like that I modified. And I got these at the Springfield Clark County Fairgrounds Car Show and Swap Meet Memorial Day weekend. Picked them both up for $25. Great deal for me. And I was told they came out of an old bread truck. Now they're old. So here's how this goes. And you can see what I've turned around. The steel plate I moved from the bottom because individual has different use for it. Okay, and here we go. I'm not using my tripod for the phone to record this, so please bear with me. I just finished cleaning this off a little while ago, get what rust I could off of it. It's got a great ground. I've already took it for a test weld. All worked good. And let's see here. And instead of using the vise to hold it, I can C-clamp it right to my bench. This C-clamp just keeps it stationary. And actually, the red steel, painted steel there, was scrap steel I welded to this for the ground. Now, this gives you an idea how this is going to work. And for holding it down on the tabletop, and this pair of welding vice grips is also cleaned off at spots. I can also use this for a ground if necessary, but it also holds down. And another C-clamp with a ground welded to it in case I would need it, or just to hold it down. And this C-clamp is for if I need it. And this open one, which would go, let me get it positioned here. Goes for a hold down to the bench. And let's see here what I can do. So bear with me. I'm going to snug this up a little bit and try to demonstrate some of this to you. Crank it on down. Okay. Let me move this off of here. And here's how this goes. Here's how this works. Kind of like a fifth wheel right here, what it puts me in mind of. Pull out, turn down, and look here. Works like a dream. And it automatically locks in. Like I said, I took all this apart and cleaned all contacts. So this actually, as I can turn up my hand, oops, didn't lock. Again. There we go. It won't lock open, but the spring, you see it right here, hopefully, spring loaded, as the other one is. That holds tension to where it keeps the ground. I actually bought these two, or this set, to get the 1/8" steel plate. Come to be, it worked out great for my improved and bigger welding turntable. Here's the size comparisons. And the prior video I done with this one I done up, it still works. But for the price for this pair, right here, I can just put this back in a scrap pile. It'll come in useful for something later on, whatever it might be. And if you can see, the bolt sticking out right there, it's got a 2.5 or 3" lift. So depending on what I'm welding or working on, I can do a 2.5, 3" lift or drop, like a lip kit. This one works out really, really good. If you can find these at a swap meet, yard sale, garage sale, whatever sale, somewhere, and you weld, I would get them. And of course, that's what it originally was, without this steel plate being bolted to this one. It was bolted to the other one. And only thing holding you back is imagination. And the weight limit for what I would use it for, I'm not worried about a weight limit. But I'm not going to be doing hundreds of pounds or thousands of pounds. Just small welding jobs and work jobs that I do here in my shop. And this piece here, if you're wondering, that's just my metal tabletop for the vise. So that's all for now. So stay safe, stay healthy, keep the wrenches turning, let the imagination work, let it go wild, see what you can do. So once again, hi to everyone, to my channel and back to my channel. Like and subscribe, thumbs up, and I'm enjoying making the videos as I make them, as I need to. And to my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing, and pass the information along on YouTube so I get more views and see how all this goes, how far it'll go. I'm anxious and curious to see how far and how good I can do with this. I've got over 100 vids up. Please check them out. So thanks once again, and have a great one. Bye.